YouTube? It's your boy, oh baby TJ back at it again. Man, y'all know what's up, man. We back with another preset. This is a melodic rap preset. How to sound like Polo G, Scorey, Rodriguez, No Cap and the rest, man. Niggas been saying I've been talking too fast in my videos. I take my time, so why y'all saying this type of shit? Like, fuck it, man. Whatever you do, people gonna talk about it. Let's just get into it, man. First, let me play the main vocals without the preset.
Yeah, I got friends, but I just feel lonely. Them niggas acting like they real, but they don't love me. I see my mama growing old and I ain't make her proud. She ain't even with the but she so it made me feel worried. Yeah, I got friends, but I just feel lonely. Them niggas acting like they real, but they don't love me. I see my mama growing old and I ain't make her proud. She ain't even reap that boy, she saw it made me feel worried. Put a smile on my face, but deep down really crying. Told you I was fine, but I lied, I'm dying. Fell inside this pool of pain, can't swim, now I'm drowning.
So this how the main vocal sound without the preset and auto pitch. Now let me put it on for y'all to listen.
Yeah, I got friends, but I just feel lonely. Them niggas acting like they real, but they don't love me. I see my mama growing old and I ain't make her proud. She ain't even with the but she so it made me feel worried. Yeah, I got friends, but I just feel lonely. Them niggas acting like they real, but they don't love me. I see my mama growing old and I ain't make her proud. She ain't even reap that what she saw, it made me feel worried. Put a smile on my face, but deep down really crying. Told you I was fine, but I lied, I'm dying. Fell inside this pool of pain, can't swim, now I'm drowning.
So this how they sound with the preset and auto pitch on. Damn, this shit class, man. Now let me hop to the ad-libs for you. This is the ad-libs, man. It's called Space. Let me put it off. Auto pitch off. Y'all should listen to it. I show when I use auto pitch and when they are for y'all to listen. To hear how they sound. Cause it's an ad-lib, I lowered the volume. Yeah. Listen, man.
I just feel lonely, but they don't love me. I see my mama growing old and I ain't make her proud. She ain't even reap the but she so it made me feel worried.
So these are the ad-lib sounds without that preset. Now let me put it on. Space. This how they sound now, and not a pitch on. This how it sound now. I don't really know how to sing, so I use a lot of auto pitch, man.
I just feel lonely, but they don't love me. I see my mama growing old and I ain't make her proud. She ain't even reap the but she so it made me feel worried. But I just feel lonely, but they don't love me. And I ain't make her proud. She ain't even reap the but she so it made me feel lonely.
Now let me play the song for y'all to listen to how they sound. Then we get into the preset. I'll be dropping this preset if the vid get 10 likes, man. And fuck your niggas who be saying wanna collab, but never hit me up when I drop my IG. Fuck all of y'all niggas, man. Let me play the song for you to listen to how they sound now.
Yeah, I got friends, but I just feel lonely. Them niggas acting like they real, but they don't love me. I see my mama growing old and I ain't make her proud. She ain't even reap the but she so it made me feel worried. Yeah, I got friends, but I just feel lonely. Them niggas acting like they real, but they don't love me. I see my mama growing old and I ain't make her proud. She ain't even reap that but she so it made me feel worried. Put a smile on my face, but deep down really crying. Told you I was fine, but I lied, I'm dying. Fell inside this pool of pain, can't swim, now I'm drowning.
Alright, so this how they sound now. Let's hop into the main vocal preset, man. Pop out. That's what I named it. Cause it pops your vocals out, make them crispy clear, man. So I use nice gig. And these the settings I got for the nice gig. Tech lab. Cause this a main vocal, I ain't gotta squeeze it so much, man. Dimension B. And I use the third preset. BL driver. Yes. EQ3L. Graphic EQ. Link gon' be in the description, man. That's what I always do, but I be dropping this if I get 10 likes, man. The delay. That's what y'all hear when I say the delay in my voice. Studio reverb. Let's hop into that. Space. Studio reverb. Noise gate. Tech lab. Filter. Yes. And graphic EQ. Look got me in the description, man. You ain't gotta worry about shit. Link gonna be in the description. Let me play it for the last time for y'all to listen. But for now, I'm out.
Yeah, I got friends, but I just feel lonely. Them niggas acting like they real, but they don't love me. I see my mama growing older, now you make her proud. She ain't even real, but she so make me feel worried. Yeah, I got friends, but I just feel lonely. Them niggas acting like they real, but they don't love me. I see my mama growing older, now you make her proud. She ain't even real, but she so make me feel worried. Oh, that's my face, but deep down really crying. Told you I was fine, but I lied, I'm dying. Fell inside this pool of pain, can't swim, now I'm drowning.